What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mike Burford here coming at you with another video. This video is brought to you by Creative Control Media because you know I pay myself. Alright, today we're just going to discuss another way here for you to make some money online. You could possibly make passive income. Alright, that's each and every day. Now what you want to do here is go to a site called Flippa.com. Okay, that's where we're going to go to. It's here. Now I'm already signed in, as you see here. So what I'm going to do is, they have something called automated websites where you can possibly you can buy a website from someone on here. Basically, then you can start making passive income. It depends on your niche and what you're really into. You could do it for celebrities, like celebrity news, football, or anything that you're into. So what I'm gonna go here, because I already have it uploaded into my system here, automated. Now, you know, they do have good prices, and what you can do is scroll down to what you actually are into. Just going to give you guys a prime example here currently. Okay, now these are all different websites here. And what you can actually do here, put it exactly what you're looking for here, and it will show up the money here, monthly profit, okay, and so on and so forth. Now, what I'm actually going to do here, like I mentioned to you before, I'm going to give you a prime example. So what I'm going to do here is just go to newssquad.live. All right. Now I'm at the website here. So basically, okay, with this site here, you see what's going on here. It provides you with a news. Okay, right? Now, a lot of these sites are beginner sites. Some sites are making more than others, and some sites aren't making no money at all. Now, what you can particularly do is for these websites are actually use them and use them for AdSense sites. Where, you know, add AdSense to your website. And what you'll do is after that, you'll try to build traffic from there. You can do paid traffic to your websites and basically do what's necessary to upkeep your site. Okay, so again, what you want to do is go to flippa.com. All right. Let's see what else here. Okay, now they have many different categories here. And yeah, this is just another way for you to actually make possibly passive income per month or per day. Now, again, you would have to do upkeep with these sites. These sites are not automated where you just buy it, apply it online, you know, market it, and that's it. You don't set it and forget it. A lot of times you have to update, you know, possibly documentation online. So you just have to update it, you know, every now and again if need be. All right, now, YouTube, that was just another tutorial for today. This is Mike Burford, Creative Control, and I'm out. Subscribe, like my videos and my channel, YouTube. I'm out. Later.